was your holiday?
It was really enjoyable. I went to Monash and Ancol with my family. How about you?
My holiday was also great. I went a waterfall in Bogor called the Gaston Riverside.
That sounds interesting. How long did it take you to get there?
It took it took about 2 hours. The road was steep and damaged, so the trip was quite tiring. But when I arrived, I felt so happy
Why did you feel happy?
because the scenery was beautiful. There, there was the river, natural brook, cool air, and fresh water coming directly from the mountain.
Wow, that sounds refreshing. Did you play in the water?
Yes, we did. The water was very cool but refreshing. I changed my clothes and played in the river for a while.
That must have been fun. My trip to Monash took about 2.5 hours because the roads were very cloudy.
What did you at Monash?
Fruits. We had roots because we were hungry after that. We took some photos together. The wind was strong, so the water felt mist.
Did anything interesting happen there?
Yes, when we were going through the parking lot at sunrise, I met very happily. We had to look for shelter and wait until the rain stopped.
What did you do after the ride?
After the rain stopped, we went to Ancol. I made a long turn on the way, but finally we arrived.
How was Ancol?
It was very pleasant and cool. I took pictures with my family, bought chocolate ice cream, watched the sunset, and enjoyed the beach.
That sounds relaxing. At night, my place was very cold, but I sleep well with a blanket.
When did you go home?
I went home at around 11 a.m. On the way, I bought some durian because I smelled it many times. I arrived home safely around 2 p.m.
I went home from Ancol at 5 a.m. On the way, I saw a big boat near the road. It made me want to get on it. I returned home safely around 7 p.m.
Even though we were tired, our holidays were very memorable.
Yes, I agree. It was a great experience.